Experts agree, professional annual AC checks are a really good idea. They'll help you avoid costly breakdowns and extend the life of your air conditioner. These cooling coils are part of how your air conditioner cools your home. When these coils are covered with dirt, leaves, and grass clippings, your unit needs to work harder to keep you cool. What you want to do is keep these coils clean. Here's something you can do yourself. First, turn the power to your air conditioner off at the breaker panel. Then, spray the outside coils gently from the top down with a garden hose. Of course, dirt will still collect on these coils, so from time to time, you'll want a professional to clean them properly. If you'd prefer that we clean your AC for you and give your AC a thorough check, let us know. We'll check your refrigerant level, connections, and much more. If you have an older air conditioner, a professional check is probably a really good idea. You don't want to have to deal with repairs or a replacement when the temperatures are at uncomfortable or even dangerous levels. We'll be happy to help you out.